Hello everyone, in this video I will introduce a fun and interactive English vocabulary game called Find the Word. This game is designed to help students improve their vocabulary through engaging questions and challenges. The main goal of this game is to learn and remember English word special adjectives by matching them with their correct meanings or synonyms. The game uses the open the box format from WordWall. Students will see several boxes on the screens. Each box contains a hidden question. They simply need to choose a box, read the question inside, and select the correct answer from the multiple choices. And also, in this video, I will show you how to run the games. So, let's get started. So, if you saw this slide, you just need to click the start button. And then if you're ready for the games, just click yes. Now, just click the play button. The play button will bring you to another website. So you just need to klik lanjutkan ke situs eksternal. Okay, before you start your games, you can click show all and choose open the box. Now you can make your screen full and just start your games. Like I said before, your student will see several boxes on the screen and they need to choose one of them to answer the correct answer. For example, self-assured. Self-assured is confident. Yes. Running this game is very simple, but trust me, this game will make your English class interesting. You can play this game as a class activity. Students can take turns choosing the boxes and answering the questions. You can divide them into teams, keep score, or even let them compete in peer to make it more exciting. This game can be used both online and offline, and it works perfectly for individual or group learning. Find the Word is a great way to practice English vocabulary in a fun and interactive way. I hope you enjoy playing the game, and most importantly, I hope you learn something new. Thank you for watching, and let's start the games.